Hello everybody, welcome to instafollowers.co YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can download Instagram photos. And by downloading Instagram photos, you can also view them offline, which is great if you don't want to access your Instagram profile. With our service, you can download Instagram photos both to your desktop and your mobile device. So here's how you do it. First, go to our page by clicking the link down in the description. A box will appear. There, either enter your Instagram photo link or enter your username if you want to select more than one picture. Once you're done, hit download. This might take a few seconds. When you see your post, click or tap on download once again to download your post. If you want to select multiple pictures instead, enter your username instead and select the posts that you want to download. After that, once again hit download. And so here's how you download Instagram photos using our service. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Till the next video, thank you for watching.